I have met so far 11 million youths, present 11 million youth like you in a decade's time from various parts of the country. I have met and in India and abroad, I have seen their hopes and experienced their pains, walked with their aspirations, and heard through their despair also. All this experience made me to learn something about them, which I would like to share with you. Shall I? I learned, carefully hear me what I am saying. I learned, what did I learn from the youth of 11 million people? I learned every youth wants to be unique. Every youth wants to be unique. That is you. Every youth wants to be unique. That is you. But the world around you is doing its best day and night to make you just everybody else. Now, the question is whether you want to be you or everybody else. You want to be you? Not everybody else. Now, if the question being like everybody else is convenient at the first glance, but not satisfying in the long vision. The challenge, therefore, my young friends, is that you have to fight the hardest battle. You have to fight the hardest battle which any human being can ever imagine to fight, and never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you. To get the unique you, it's a big battle. The battle means you don't need to take a gun. The battle means you have to have 4 unique things. 4 unique tools you must have in that battle. One is you have to set the goal. The second one is acquire the knowledge continuously. And third one, it's a hard work with the devotion. And fourth is perseverance. These are the tools you have to, for the battle you have to wage. For that, if you have these 4 tools, definitely you will become a unique you. My best wishes to all of you.
Nearly 1 hour, 50 minutes travel from Wardrobe to you, after a lot of work in other places. I was thinking what to talk. I had big lecture I made for you. But when I see the composition, what you are, and you are the festival mode, technical festival mode, I am thinking what thoughts I can share with you. First of all, I was in IIT Bombay. I know Professor Devan, Director IIT, and the Dean Professor A. Yardley, and all of you friends, and all those who have contributed for building a robust framework in generating quality human resources in the nation. Particularly to IIT Bombay, my visit to all of you. Of course, I am very happy to be in the campus of IIT Bombay, still here. Share the glorious history. IIT Bombay, long back it was founded 1958, I understand. World Vision 2030, empowering 3 billion, half the population of the world. The topic is World Vision 2030, empowering the 3 billion. Where close to 200 million Indian households can be used to unleash the potential of solar power in the nation. With the highest solar irradiation among the BRICS nations, India can emerge as a leading emerging nation to rely on the power plants based on the individual households. This mission can even go to the rural areas, which are off the grid and usually signal flow hence in the annual rooftop springs. We need next generation entrepreneurs who can create a new thatching technology which can integrate rooftop solar generation with country. This is a profile for the nations of the world for 2030, distinct profile of the nation of the world 2030. Let me present to you these visualizations so that you are all young people and you dream not only India, but also many nations together. Of course, you have to look at many nations each other. I visualize a world of nations where the divide between rural and urban, rich and poor, developed developing has to be narrowed. Finally, then the vision. A world of nations where there is equitable distribution and adequate access to energy and quality water. Because every nation has got certain amount of water and also energy, and we have to together work. For example, if we go for solar power, then multi-nations can cooperate, particularly the solar power, the space solar power system. The world of nations where the equitable distribution and the adequate access to energy and quality water. A world where core competition of each nation identified, visions of synergizing core competition of different nations lead to economic advantage and fast development of the society. A world of nations where all the students of the society are important in education with various. A world of nations where affordable quality and care is available to all and cost. A world of nations where the government's response is transparent and transparent. A world of nations where crimes against women and children are absent, none of the society is annihilation. A world in which nations be able to give clean, green environment to all citizens. Each nation cannot be. We have to work together. A world that is prosperous, healthy, secure, devoid of terrorism, peaceful, happy, and continues the certainty of power. A world of nations with creative leadership who ensure effective mechanisms to resolve conflict in a nation and society in a timely manner, keeping overall peace and prosperity of the world as a whole.
That is so great.
Classes. What's your dream like?
How to become a singer?
Singer. Anything. Well, I don't know how we So I personally believe you must have a dream. Say, I must have a dream.
I must have a dream.
I must continuously acquire knowledge. Continuously acquire knowledge.
I must continuously acquire knowledge.
Hard work.
Hard work
And perseverance.
and perseverance.
One should not be not afraid of problems.
Not afraid of problems.
That will be success. Okay?
So how did you become so great?
How did I become so great? That's the question. Well, which class are you? What's your dream in life?
How did you become a singer?
Singer. Anything. Well, I don't know how to. So I personally believe you must have a dream. Say, I must have a dream.
I must have a dream.
I must continuously acquire knowledge. Continuously acquire knowledge.
I must continuously acquire knowledge.
Hard work.
Hard work
And perseverance.
and perseverance.
One should not be not afraid of problems.
Not afraid of problems.
Then you will be successful. Okay?